Welcome, you guys. It is Q2, week one. As you're getting logged into your computers, I will kind of talk through some of the basic expectations before we get into the nitty gritty of today. Thank you. So, as you're coming into class, should be logging into your computers, getting your folders, and one of each sheet from the top of the cow. You might notice some interesting stuff as you go on over to the top of the cow. I do actually have our token economy up and going. I am starting to track more of your points and kind of record that. But as you can see, those are some things you can earn. I want you to get a pencil or a pen. I think all I have is pencils out there by the sink. And then once you've done this, once you've logged into the laptop, close the lid if you would, please. Thank you. So some of our expected classroom behaviors, just make sure I remind you. We will raise our hand to speak or address the teacher. We do not shout at the teacher. We do not shout across the room to each other. That is where this talking with people within your group or table at appropriate tone and volume comes in. If the teacher is saying, hey, I need you guys' eyes up here, or if I'm anywhere up by the board, where should your eyes be? They should be up on the teacher or on the instructions. I want you to follow directions if you would, please. Remember, I think that you'd want somebody to do that if you ask them to do something. And also appropriate speech, positive tone, and compliance with instructions. So if I say, I need you to open the lid to your laptop, do not just sit there and wait me out. Also make sure that we're not using any derogatory language and things like that, but also that we speak very positively to each other and not with tone and attitude. Just to remind you guys about your behaviors, okay? You can, if you strive for threes, which is the teacher's expectations of stuff, then it's going to get you things. So the number of, and this goes to the store and the things you can buy. So the number of threes on your GoPro. So if you have 45 threes on your GoPro, you get 3 points for the day. If you have 3 threes on your GoPro, it's 2 points for the day. And the last but not least, I know you can't see it because it's down here, but, oh, there we go. If you have 2 threes on your GoPro, it is 1 point you've earned. Okay, and I also have a new announcement. So we know our expected behaviors when we get done with something, okay, that we do something else, we help another classmate, or that we're aware of somebody else's needs in the class and we help them out. Or just being quiet would even fall into that. We're not being loud and disruptive. But so this is new for today. If you push yourselves to do more, if you complete another learning target, or you're extremely professional or helpful to another classmate, then you're going to earn yourself a raise, which is that 4 on the GoPro. And I have some treats that I can kind of go and give out. I think currently I have some cookies. Before I had some Pockies, but I've also done stuff like this before. But I might do that for like the whole group if everybody tries to strive for 4. And let's say like 80% of the people did, I would go and order some Jimmy John subs. So that's just letting you know. Last week you were supposed to have completed your missing work. Even if you didn't, my grades count into the semester, so you can still have some time to make it up. But this is the big thing, and I'm probably going to be stopping this right after I do this so I can tell you guys to give me a thumb up if you did and thumb down if you did not. Thumb up, thumb down. You watched the video on the Google Classroom and picked your jobs to research. Please respond right now. Thank you. Okay, so here's what's up. Our learning target, success criteria, and our importance. Oops, sorry, for week 9. For Q2, week 1. Okay, I'm helping myself make the deadline for my research project. That's our importance. Our deadline, you guys, is the 14th of December because I will be leaving to go to my brother-in-law's wedding on the 19th. Okay, so our learning target for today, I will research my job and find information on my now career, which I told you guys how to figure that out last week. If not, please refer to Q1, week 9 on your Google Classroom posting. Thank you. But our success criteria. So I picked my now job and researched 3 things about this job on my recording sheet. I'll show you a recording sheet here in a second, but we're looking for you to find the education, the skills and abilities, and the work activities. So yep, we're doing this thing. We're going to talk here in a second about the project, our deadline sheet, talk about citations and things like that. But then we're also going to have some time where you guys can actually talk with each other and do something kind of fun. Then we're going to briefly explain about websites and sometimes their purposes and things, give you some time to research, and then do our GoPro. So everything you can find is on Q2, week 1, the posting on Google Classroom. If you have any questions, there's Miss R and the CTE in the room. And then any of the papers that you're going to use today are probably going to be sitting on top of our cow. So here's our sheets. This is what's up. So you guys have a 2-page packet. You have this one on top. This one's going to tell you, because I will assign you different things every time you come in from now on, things that you're supposed to do so that that way you can get the information for your project. So right here, we're going to be working on slide number 3, the job for now today. And you're going to be finding education, uh, skills and abilities needed, and the work activities. So in this little spot that says deadline for those 3 things, you'd be writing 1022. I'll show you guys here in a second. But this is where it says deadline is where we write dates. The second page is this one, and this will eventually be a checklist because as the time goes on, I want you guys to go through your actual presentation and say, do I have this? Do I not? So you're being made aware. And basically, this is where I'm going to stop because this is where we are going. Thank you so much for listening along. And I look forward to having you guys discuss. Thank you.